Good morning, children. This is Rashid. Continue chapter number 2. So, in previous classes, we have already discussed this formula SP is equal to CP plus profit and SP is equal to CP minus loss. These two formulas already we have discussed. That how we are getting this one with example we have discussed. Now, today we'll discuss that how we will get this CP is equal to SP minus profit. So how we are getting this formula today we are going to discuss. Okay. Now suppose you are selling a pen. SP is given 15 rupees. That means what? You are selling a pen for 15 rupees. And after selling you are getting a profit of 3 rupees. Okay, you are selling in 15 rupees and how much extra you are getting? Profit means after selling whatever you are getting extra. Okay, so you are selling in 15 rupees and after selling you are getting 3 rupees extra. So in how much you are buying? Okay, so for how much rupees you are buying this pen? If you are selling in 15 rupees you are selling anything and after selling you are getting 3 rupees profit. 3 rupees profit means 3 rupees extra you are getting. Okay, so in how much money you bought? 3 rupees extra means 3 rupees more you are getting. After selling for 15 you are getting 3 rupees more. That means for how much you bought? So you bought for 12 rupees, then only you are getting 3 rupees. So CP we are getting 12 rupees means you were buying for 12 rupees, then 3 rupees extra you were getting, then only you are selling in 15 rupees. So how we are getting this 12 rupees? So 12 rupees we are getting 15 minus 3. Okay, then only you are getting cost price is equal to 12 rupees. Now look at here, this 15, what is your 15 rupees? From here you can see 15 rupees is your SP, selling price, minus 3, what is your 3? 3 is your profit. So SP minus profit. Okay, so this is your formula how you are getting. Okay, so CP when selling price is given and profit is given, then in how much money you are buying, that you will get SP minus profit. So this was the formula. So this is your formula. Okay, CP is equal to SP minus profit means selling price will be given to you, profit will be given to you, then in how much money you purchase that you have to find, then simply SP minus profit. Got it? Now come to this formula. CP is equal to SP plus loss. CP is equal to means when loss is given to you, when loss is given to you and selling price is given to you, then in how much we are purchasing that we have to find. How we'll find? So purchasing price or cost price will be equal to SP plus loss. So this also we'll see with one example. Now suppose you are selling a pen for 10 rupees. Okay, you are selling a pen for 10 rupees and you are getting a loss. After selling you found that you are in loss. You are in loss for how much? 3 rupees. Okay, after selling you have sold the pen for how much? 10 rupees, and after selling you found that you are getting a loss of 3 rupees. Loss means you are getting, after selling you are getting less money. So for how much rupees you have purchased that pen? Okay, so now try to understand this one. So you sold the pen for 10 rupees, and after selling the pen for 10 rupees you are getting 3 rupees less money. Means you sold it for 10 rupees, but in return you are getting 3 rupees less. In return you are getting 3 rupees less. That means in more money you must have bought, then only you are getting 3 rupees less. You must have bought for more than 10 rupees, then only you are getting 3 rupees less in return. So how much you are, for how much price you have purchased this pen? So 3 rupees less you are getting, means its price was, when you purchased it, its price was 3 rupees more. So what was the original price? Original price was 13 rupees. So you have bought for 13 rupees and you sold it for 10 rupees. Then only you are getting 3 rupees less. Okay. So 13 rupees is your cost price, means you have bought it. How we are getting this 13 rupees? We are getting this 13 rupees 10 and plus 3. Now look at here. What is your 10 here? Just try to see. This 10, what is your 10 here? 10 is your selling price. So we can write selling price, then plus 3. What is your 3 here? 3 is your loss. So we'll write here loss. Okay. So CP will be equal to selling price plus loss. Okay. So this is your formula. So one by one we have seen these 4 formulas. So there are 2 formula to find SP. When profit will be given in the question, cost price will be given, then selling price will be equal to cost price plus profit. So 2 ways to find selling price. One is this one is this one. When loss will be given to you and cost price will be given to you, then how will find selling price? Selling price is equal to CP minus loss. Same way, 2 ways to find CP and SP. Okay. Okay. So 2 ways to find SP we have seen. Now 2 ways to find CP. So CP, when selling price is given and profit is given, then how you will find cost price? Selling price minus profit. Similarly, when loss will be given to you and selling price will be given to you, then how you will find cost price? Cost price is equal to simply selling price plus loss. So 4 formulas we have seen. So you learn these 4 formulas. This one, SP is equal to CP plus profit, SP is equal to CP minus loss, CP is equal to SP minus profit, and CP is equal to SP plus loss. These 4 formulas you have to learn it and you have to write in your copy also, and tomorrow we'll discuss the exercise question related to these formulas. Okay, so see you in the next class. Thank you.